Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover how to start on crypto airdrops. Like you know, I am mostly a YouTuber dedicated to crypto airdrops and how to make money in crypto. So in this video I'm going to give you a tutorial step by step. First, what is an airdrop, but then how to start on airdrops from the step 1 to the last step of everything that you need to do. But step by step and explaining. I'm going to share here my screen and show you exactly each of the steps. Once we finish, I'm going to give you some guidance on how to do advanced airdrop hunting. This is with multiple wallets. And also we are going to start one of the most hot airdrops that is right now, which is the ZkSync Airdrop. So after seeing this video, you are going to be ready to start doing airdrops and enough knowledge to know what to do for advanced airdrop hunting. So if you are new for airdrops, this is your video. You are going to know everything step by step. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, if this is your first time here, you need to know that I'm a YouTuber mostly dedicated to airdrop videos. So in this video you are going to get a step by step on how to start to do this. This is a beginner's guide, but on the last part of the video you are going to have some advanced tools and advanced comments to farming airdrops in multiple wallets. So if you already are in airdrops, you can go and jump into that part of the video. But I need to tell you right now guys, after seeing this video, if you are really interested on that, I have a private Discord only for Airdrop Hunters, and I also have an application that I created. I am a developer, so if you really want to move your level on this Airdrop Hunter path to the next level, you need to use my app and be in my Discord. Now let's go directly to the step by step. First question, if you are not completely sure what is an airdrop? Crypto airdrops are basically a reward that the crypto project gives to the users as reward of helping testing the product. This could happen in a different number of ways. Sometimes it's because we, the users, tested the product on early stages of development before the mainnet launch, like a DevNet or a Testnet. Sometimes protocols give airdrops after the launch, when users use the mainnet product from some time. And another times it's just incentives to the community. But in all these cases, what happens is that the project is rewarding the community of users for being part of the community in any of these different cases. Normally a project that do these airdrops has in their tokenomics allocation for community rewards or something similar that will be distributed as airdrop at some point. Not always, but this is frequently. So sometimes if you check the token economics of a project and you see that, you may be expecting a possible airdrop in the future. Now that we know this, let's go to the first step. Remember, this first part is for beginners. If you are already farming airdrops or applying to airdrops, you can skip to the advanced part of the video. If you are a beginner, this is what you need to do. First of all, be patient and calm about being a beginner. We have always been beginners on something in our life. Using this video and being at this point of the video, it's already a big accomplishment because many people is losing airdrops and losing thousands of free money. So the first point here is get your wallet. And to test or use these protocols, you will need a decentralized wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet. All of those are going to be fine for you. The most common one is MetaMask and is the one that I will recommend you, because not all protocols allow the connection with all the different wallets. But from MetaMask it's almost like a standard. So if this is your first time here, I would recommend you to download MetaMask. Here you will have the official link. So you can go there. This is an extension of your browser. Works for Chrome, for Brave, for Firefox, so you will be fine. Your CX wallet, your centralized exchange wallet, doesn't serve you to apply to airdrops. So your Binance address is not going to work for this. You need a decentralized wallet. At some point, depending the airdrop you apply, you will need specific wallets also that only works on specific protocols. That is common too. So you may end up adding wallet extensions into your browser over time. And like you can see here, most of these are different wallets according to the ecosystem. Sometimes I apply to an airdrop on Cosmos ecosystem, so we'll need a different wallet that is not MetaMask, or the same happen with Aptos. So over time, you are going to be adding more wallets into your stack. So go to MetaMask, add the Chrome extension, for example, and you are going to be set on step 1. The step 2, guys, is that you need to protect your airdrop wallet. And I put this point in second and not further in the list because it's really important that you understand that when we apply to airdrops, we are going to apply to projects that are not live maybe and are in development stages. And many of these projects could be a scam, could do a rug pull. So there's a lot of risk applying to airdrops. So this second step is your most important step. Is now that you have your wallet installed, you need to understand how to protect your wallet when you start applying into airdrops. For that, check this video that I did with all those details. When you click the link, you are going to be here redirected to my website. Here you can go to the YouTube video directly or check the video there. And there is 9 points that you need to understand to protect your wallet. That is from putting a strong password like a very basic thing, until using some tools like revoke cache to remove the allowance of the different pages that you enter. So protecting your wallet is really important. So go check this video, read these 9 steps, which have also links, and you're going to be understanding a little more about that. Now, the step 3 is that you need to add the common mainnet networks to your MetaMask. Now that you have your MetaMask wallet, you need to add some networks there. By default, you are going to have Ethereum mainnet and others, but many of the airdrops that you apply are on those networks, but also could be that you apply in an airdrop in a new protocol. So doing this, you will learn how to add the new networks. And the easiest way to do that is using chainlist.org. This is a product from DeFi Llama, so this is completely genuine. And when you go to the page, you can see you have a search bar here. What you basically have to do is search for the different networks that you want to add into your MetaMask. Like you can see here, I have many Testnet and Mainnet that you probably don't have because I have been adding those networks into my MetaMask. So to add a network is really easy. Let's say that I want to add to this network OKX chain mainnet. I don't have that one. So you can click on connect wallet, click on next, connect your wallet into the chainlist.org, and you can see here the network name, the network URL, the chain ID, and the current symbol. After you have that, you click on approve, and you are going to click, for example, switch network, and that's it. It's already added into your MetaMask. Now, when I go to MetaMask, you can see I am already in the network, and it's going to appear at the bottom of my list. So you can see here, OKX chain mainnet is already added. So in Chainlist, you can search for any network that you need. They usually have it really quick. If you don't have it here, then you are going to probably get it from the protocol itself. So what you need to do is you go to your MetaMask, you click here and you click add network. That is going to pop up this. So you click on add the network manually and you are going to add the information from the official site, the network name, the RPC URL, chain ID, current symbol, and block explorer, and you click on save. These are the 2 ways to add a new network, a mainnet network, into your MetaMask. Now that you have your MetaMask, you have your different mainnet wallets, and you know how to protect your wallet, then we need to add testnet networks to your MetaMask, like Goerli Ethereum. Many of the airdrops that you apply are doing tasks or testing protocols in the test app. If this protocol is an AVM or runs in Ethereum, you may need the Goerli Ethereum network on your MetaMask and Goerli Ethereum tokens to use here. For that, you can check this video that I did where I explain what Goerli Ethereum is and how to get Goerli Ethereum tokens. Many of the airdrops that you are going to apply, guys, you are going to use Goerli Ethereum tokens. So here you have a video explaining what is that and how to get your Goerli Ethereum tokens. This is the testnet from Ethereum. So when a project is running on Ethereum or is AVM compatible, they may work on the Goerli Ethereum testnet and you may need to do the task for the airdrop there. So that is why this is also important. And after seeing this video and doing this, you are going to get already these free Goerli Ethereum testnet tokens. Now guys, your MetaMask is almost ready there. You have your mainnet, you have also some testnets like Goerli Ethereum, you have tokens on Goerli Ethereum on the testnet. In this case I have 52. So you are ready with your wallet to start applying. The last thing that you need is found your wallet to pay the transaction fees. For example, you have your Ethereum MetaMask there, but you don't have Ethereum there. When we do transactions on the mainnet of Ethereum, you need to pay transactions with gas fee. So you need to find the main wallet of Ethereum, I would say Polygon, I would say maybe Arbitrum, with some Ethereum, Matic on the tokens that the network used to pay gas fees. So that is the step 5, is found your wallet with initial assets to pay the transaction fees and some other interactions that we are going to do. So to do this is very easy, and you may be already familiar with that if you are looking for airdrops now, is that you can send funds from your ZkSync account, for example for Binance, where you get your crypto paying with card or bank account transfer from your bank account. So to start, I would recommend you to transfer $150 value of Ethereum from your ZkSync exchange, that could be Binance, KuCoin, or whatever you use, into the mainnet. And why 150? Well, the fees on the transactions for Ethereum mainnet are really high, between $5 and $25 right now. So that is why I recommend you to send at least 150. Also, you can send 50 Ethereum to Arbitrum network. To do that, from Binance, you will select from what blockchain you want to send. And the address to receive is your MetaMask wallet. Always is going to be the same one, so you copy it from there. Even if you change here Ethereum mainnet, your address is always the same. That never change here. My address on Polygon is going to be the same here. The only thing is that you need to change from what blockchain you are sending the money. If you don't have a ZkSync account, you can create your first one in Binance if you are outside of the US, or you can use Coinbase if you are in US. So here I will leave my referral link from Binance, that if you use it, you are going to have discounts on all the transactions for life. So this is a really good referral link that I am putting here, and you support the channel doing that also. So here you have my Binance link, and in the description of the video you have my referral links to KuCoin and many others central exchanges. Now that you found your wallet, we go to step 6, which is get your social media pack. So for many of the airdrops, you are going to need to have a Twitter account and Discord account. Why is that? It's because many of the steps of an airdrop are using CLI or community platforms, where normally ask you to connect and link your wallet with your Twitter and or with your Discord. For example, CLI, which is the X-Crew3, you can go to the CLI account and connect to set up your account. This is a platform that we are going to use a lot on airdrops. So for example, go to CLI there, and you can see that some of the tasks that you can have for an airdrop are following on Twitter, and doing community stuff is super common on many of the projects. So here in your account settings, you can see that you have on your user profile to link your Discord, link your Twitter, and link your email. So even if you don't have it linked yet, in order to apply to the different things, you are going to have to link here your Discord and your Twitter. So when you apply airdrops, once you do that, then this wallet can only be used for this link on this Discord and this Twitter. So you shouldn't mix that up. That means if you want to go to CLI with another wallet, you cannot use the same Discord or Twitter or email. You will need a new one for that new wallet. Because if you start to link your wallet with different Twitter and Discord accounts, you are going to be blacklisted from the airdrop. So the projects have some security stuff to avoid the multiple farming airdrops or bots to apply to an airdrops. So you need to keep it simple and you need to keep it real. So usually one person is going to use one link for one Discord, one Twitter, and one email with one wallet. So you need to have those packs. And that is why here before step 7, remember now that for applying to airdrops, you will use one DEX wallet, one Twitter account, one Discord account, and sometimes one Telegram account. So create these accounts and always keep it like that way. Don't mix up a Twitter account with another wallet or a wallet with another Discord, because you are going to be blacklisted from different airdrops eventually. Now guys, another important topic is use VPN. If you are not using a VPN right now and you are in crypto, you are doing it wrong. It's very risky. You could lose your funds very easily. So use a VPN. And now if you are starting to get into airdrops, now is a must. You need to use your wallet with a VPN so you are not tracked from your different IP addresses. I would recommend you NordVPN is the main VPN that I use. I use another ones too, but NordVPN works really well. You even can select the country from where you want to be using the VPN, so that will help you a lot for this Airdrop Hunter path. So here you have again a refer link, and using my refer link is going to give you extra months on your subscriptions. Depending what type of subscription you get, you will receive 1, 2, 3 or more free months on your subscription using my refer link. So I put it there because it's going to help you. Also, I receive also some free months if you use my link. So that is appreciated, but I already bought like a subscription for another 2 years recently. So if you don't want to use it, it's fine. You just go to nordvpn.com, but in this case, maybe it's worth it. Now step 8 guys, let's apply to our first airdrop. So now I will choose a difficult one, that is ZkSync Airdrop. ZkSync at the moment of recording this is one of the hot possible airdrops. Nothing is confirmed yet, but it's right now one of the big possible airdrops to do. So in order to do this, I have a video step by step on how to apply to ZkSync. And I have been doing a lot of videos about ZkSync, but this video from March 28 is still super valid and has everything that you are going to need on the Mainnet, Testnet and the light version, which are, like we mentioned before, different phases of the development of this project. So ZkSync is already in Mainnet, but also they have a Testnet and another version that was a light. So right now they are in era, Mainnet era. So we are going to check part of this tutorial. We are not going to cover it again here, but you have all covered in this video and with all these steps. These are many steps because it's a very, very complex airdrops to do, 24 steps that you need to do. So we are going to check only the testnet steps, which remember always that you do testnet steps for an airdrop. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. You are going to use Goerli Ethereum or another faucet tokens from specific from the project that you are applying. The testnet steps are here from position 12 here. So the first is that you need to add ZkSync era testnet to your MetaMask. In order to do that, you can see we are using chainlist.org. We already mentioned this before. So here you search for ZkSync and you click here to include the testnet. And here you have ZkSync era testnet, so click on add to MetaMask, confirm everything, and you're going to have the network already installed. Now you can see we are in ZkSync era testnet. Now we are asked to go to the testnet ZkSync portal, so click on this link. Remember, this is going to be on the post, so all these steps you are going to be able to follow them correctly. And the next step is to request funds from the faucet. Once you go here, you need to connect your wallet and you go here to faucet and you click on request from the faucet. In order to do this, you are forced to put a tweet telling that you are testing this. So that is why you need a Twitter account. So now that you are here, click on so tweet this. And after you do that, you are going to receive some faucet tokens that are for testnet. The next step is that you need to add Goerli Ethereum wallet. So we already did that on the previous step. You need to have Goerli Ethereum faucet tokens. We already did that also. Now we need to bridge funds from Goerli Ethereum into ZkSync era testnet. In order to do that, on the same link we go to bridge, and I'm going to bridge one token from here into the ZkSync era testnet. So click on deposit. I'm going to be sending to the Goerli Ethereum network instead of ZkSync era testnet. You are going to need to pay gas fees for that, so that is why you have Goerli Ethereum tokens. And now we are on the deposit. This could take like 5 minutes. So guys, check this link in order to continue the tutorial. You can start from step 1, which is follow them on Twitter and Discord, and then doing the same that we are doing but in Mainnet. So start with that. This link is going to be also in my post of this video. So guys, with that, we already covered everything that you need to do to start on airdrops. This is a step-by-step tutorial, and all that we cover is like the basic of this. So if you're really interested, guys, to do this, I'm going to give you some advanced advice on how to maximize your rewards on the airdrops. The advanced stuff is only once you are familiar doing everything with one wallet, because the advanced is to do this with multiple wallets. So to be an advanced airdrop hunter, what you need to do with multiple wallets is, once you master the previous steps, to maximize your earnings, you will need to use multiple wallets. Here is how I managed to do that and what is my strategy. I did a specific video also about that, guys, explaining how I use my device, my different wallet extensions with my different browsers, and all that is explained in this video. So once you manage all that, you can check this video, the information here, and you are going to understand what is my method. This is not the final truth, it's only what I did, and I have not been blacklisted, never. I never been considered a civil on my wallet. So if you think that this is interesting, you can check this video. And guys, at this point, I need to tell you, step 10 is, I honestly cannot leave this without mentioning my private Discord and my airdrop register app. This is also for advanced airdrop hunters. Of course, if you are a newbie, you can join us. We have a specific channel in my Discord for people that is starting in airdrops. So of course you can join us there, and you will be able to use my app. It's really intuitive and it's really easy to use. The amount of time that is going to save you using my app is really high, guys. My app is built to allow you apply to all my airdrops really quickly, and also you can add your custom airdrops to your app profile, so you have everything in one place. Also, it's going to be able to check the task that you did, what you still are missing, so you are going to be able to apply easily and register all your progress on airdrops easily. And it's not attached to my channel. In my app, you can put any airdrop that you are doing with another YouTuber or that you created from another influencer. So it's open for you to do whatever you want with that app. That will help you a lot. So instead of use an Excel file, check my subscriptions here on cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. Check what can bring you my Discord and what can bring you my app. And it's not a surprise here. I put some videos on how my app works, and we have more than 300 users, active users right now, that pay the subscription and are using my app. So guys, the advanced tips for today are how to use multiple wallets and what my app and my Discord can bring to you. That is all for this video, guys. A step-by-step tutorial on how to start on airdrops and then how to move it into the next level with multiple wallets. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, before believe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.